So, am I improving? Think twice and ask yourself that I'm improving. If the answer is no, so you're on the right video, because in this video we discuss that why we are not improving, why we are not growing in our life. So I gave you my example also. And first of all, I tell you who I am. So my name is Rohit, and I'm a kind of person. I'm a very ambitious person. I want to be good at communication skills. I want to be good at making money. I want to be good at fitness. Not the six pack abs, just decent body. I want to be good at communications. So I work on these things, but the results are not satisfying. I watch too many videos by that course. You will make lot of money. These 100 words you are fluent in English. These exercises gave you six pack abs. But these things doesn't work for me. I don't know it's work for you, but we are following persons who already achieve such big things. It's a good thing, but what about rest 95% people who are just struggling like me, like you? So I try a lot of things, but it's not going well. I share my journey, that how I'm not a guru who tell you, do this, do that. I want to be path that who tell you that first I did myself. If it's beneficial for me, then I tell you, do this. This is beneficial for me. This is beneficial for you. So that back to the question that why we are not improving. So in my opinion, that why I'm not improve. The first thing is I'm not leaving my comfortable zone. So this is, if I leave my comfortable zone, then I took actions, but that actions are not correct. And that the actions that I took, it's not a good actions in a right way. It's not about good or bad. It's not a good actions to achieve me success. Like I gave you my example. So in my when I get this job, that time I am preparing for exam. So that time I am preparing. I make a timetable. I study 6 hours a day. So what is the exam I am preparing? I don't know. I am just preparing. So I just what I do. So my goals are not specific. That what is my goals? I'm not intentionally do things. So this is how I live my life. I do my I just procrastinating. I will be this. I will be that. I buy this. But how? If my actions are not correct, my actions is not the right way. So how I achieve my goals? So that's why I observe myself. I'm not I am not consider myself as an exception. So like me, I know there are a lot of people who thinks the same, who feels the same, who want to success in their life. They want make money. They want good at communications. They want they want a good body. They want everything in their life that they want. So so now what is the solution? In So what is the next thing that I do? So the first thing I tell you that I leave my comfortable zone and doing all that things that give me success. So not so so right now I don't know how to be successful, but I know some 2 3 steps. So let's assume if success maybe 100 steps. So I know 2 3 steps. So I took 2 3 steps. It gave me 2 3 steps ahead from my goals. So what is these steps that I took? So I want to learn in English. So I talk in English and I make videos in English. And the second thing, that what is the second uncomfortable thing? So talking in front of camera, it's very hard thing. I take too much retakes. So, but it's okay. I know in the the more time I spend on the front of camera, I will be improved. So I do this. I talk in front of camera. So fear of people, so like communication skills. So I make videos, I upload this video to overcome my fear, and to talking in front of people, and the fourth thing, fitness. So in past year I'm doing nothing. So I increased my weight. Now I am 8 to 10 kg overweight. So I work on my health. So this is I don't know the full path how how to successful, but I work on myself. So let's see if I am do or not. So how I achieve my goals. So I make a short video a daily basis and tell you I am improving or not, and a long video for once in a week. So in the short videos, I share my journey that what is the actions I took in my daily basis. So I took a challenge like 100 days, 100 videos. I think I'm doing in my daily basis, and one video in a week that the things I'm facing while doing this. So this is the thing I do. So let's see I will be successful or not, but I'm very eager to be successful. That's the video. If you have any suggestion, any, if you want to, if you are the same person who feels the same, who thinks the same, so comment below. Let's see.